before, bro.
That's so last year, bro.
I don't know any trends right now, bro. Say what are the trends? Objection trend. Ram, I saw you comment sa list comment. Grade 5. Your grade 5. I saw your comment, Ram.
In what video? In what video? In what video?
Bro, does anyone have a D? I have a D. I have a long D. Like you're reading something. It's a step of a D, bro. Dali doesn't have a D. Where's Dali? One step. Bro, wait. Bro, Zep and me is the only persons that have D, bro. Dali doesn't have D.
Not even Richmond. Richmond doesn't have a day. Yeah, I cut my day. Guys, believe it. I cut my day. Guys, I cut my day. That's why I don't have a day. I cut my day.
Where did you get your D? Did you order it on Shopee?
Yeah.
Guys, Zali is transgender. Zali is transgender. I repeat. Zali is transgender.
Obama have day.
Guys, confirm Zali is transgender.
Yeah, Zep's transgender. Zep called himself a chill girl, bro.
Furry. Zali is a furry.
What? You're too far. Too far, bro. Too far.
Zalia is a furry. It's confirmed. Trust me. Sino ba yun? I'm going to do this all alone. Same. Nah, bro. I'm literally shot in the leg. Ah!
Ano ba yan?
This is the worst. Zalia just collapsed. Zalia is a furry, bro. Zalia is a furry, lesbian, and also bisexual.
What? Hey, yo.
One.
Choose one, bro.
I think almost finished style, bro. Zalia got to pick the style. Guys, I finished this because I'm playing Skill 01.
Yeah, because you pushed me, bro.
Bro, I'm literally Ali. I saved 4, 5, 6. I'm important. Okay, fine. I will save you.
Oh.
What is that? One of you will die. No, red light. I haven't even reacted. Boom! Come on, Ram. Let's go. I saved 4, 5, 6, bro. I'm literally saving you. Thank you, bro. Ram, you can go with Zalia so you can push her. Oh, okay. Let me go with Zalia. Here's Zalia. How did I get you? Ano, Zalia? Ayaw ko sa'yo. Ikaw ang sumama sa akin.
Thank you. Thank
I will be
you.
the last one. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Tatapunan ka na ng sand. Guys, it's picture time. We're gonna take a picture. Zep, papakainin kita ng sand pag ginulit mo yun.
What?
Uulitin ko yun, Ram. Uulitin ko yung 10,000%. Lalo ko lalagay ako ng sand sa mukha mo. Oo, kasi leather face. I am not leather face, bro. Bro, you're going to become the sand Didi.
Ano?
Because I'm already Didi, though. I want my Didi back. I pushed the guard. I'm I'm licking my phone right now.
What?
No,
I want my daddy back. I want my daddy back. Just enjoy the daddy.
I want Mr. Diddy.
I want my daddy back. I want my daddy back. Just enjoy the daddy.
I want my D back. I want my D back.
Yeah, because I stole your D.
Where's Dalia? Dalia literally stole my D.
Ouch! Sumasayaw lang ako. Belly dancer lang ako, JK.
Ano yun? Get out! Hindi na ako si Kiram. Bro,
Bro, just give me a D. No thanks. Give me a D already.
Yan are so furries. Yan are some cute fairy femboys. Yan are foot fetish. Some people here have a foot fetish.
What? You?
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 Rafael definitely has that. Nah, bro. I think Zeb is for real growing fungus on his feet. I'm not, bro. On bro's feet. I have a feeling if Zeb removes the fake foot he's wearing, bro, I have a feeling there's mushrooms on bro's foot. I don't. Why is it so dirty? Why is it so dirty? It's literally like you find like a trash can.
Ah!
I got a star. I'm so cool.
I got a star!
I got a circle.
Ano ba yan?
Yes, look. I'm OP. I got a circle. I got a big DD back. I got my DD back. I got my veiny D back. I got my veiny D back.
Ah!
I finished it. I got a circle cookie. Daniela, spectate us.
I want your daddy back. I want your daddy back.
The back shot, Zalia. Easy. You got no DD back. I got a DD back.
I am confirmed.
Guys, I am Gihun. I already won the games. Shall I win?
You are Giyu?
Rafael is the baby. I am Gihun.
Oh, I thought.
Already won the games.
Oh, Zep, I thought you said Giyu.
Nah, Zep is pregnant.
What?
Oh. Hey, yo!
Zep
I
is
made one.
Zep
I
play.
made a girl.
Zep is player 222, and Rafa is the baby.
Hey, yo! Where are you, mom?
Zep, don't kill your child. Zep, don't kill your baby. Zep, don't kill your baby. Zep, don't kill your baby. Zep, don't kill your baby.
I will kill it. I will send you. So cute, I'm touching after you. I'm going to touch Zep after this, bro. Zep, if you touch me, bro, I'm gonna touch you. When I get there, bro, I'm gonna PDD you so bad, bro. I'm gonna be free. Don't touch me. You're such a random dog. Bro, what am I gonna do? Like, what am I gonna do? Where are you, Rafa? Where did you go?
Guys, if I post this, will you guys? Guys, hypothetical question. Guys, hypothetical question. But if I posted this on YouTube, will you guys sue me?
I'm not. What else am I going to do? You're so lucky. You're so lucky. You're such a lucky. It's because dito, bro. Bro, I am as soon as I'm going to get the chance, I will go to your house, bro. I'm pina-PDD your secret, bro. I'm gonna tickle your pickles, but I'm gonna tickle it so hard that you will become bro. Yeah. I will tickle your pickle until it becomes pickle. Hide and seek, let's go! Easy, bro. Hide and seek. What game are you gonna pick? Let's see. Your path has been coded. Prepare your pickups. Come on, Ram. Let's see what you got. Come on, Ram. Let's see what you got. You are what? I don't know. It's a 50-50. Bro, if I wish it's tug of war, bro. If it's hide and seek, bro. In hide and seek, I'm literally so terrible at it. If it's tug of war, I am very, very bombing dito scoop. You go first, little bro. You go first. No, I'm going to chase you. Go first. I'm not moving, bro. Let's go. You go first. No, I don't see. Yo, it's a 50-50, Ram. It's a 50-50. No! Give me blue, please. Give me. Hider! No! I want Didi back.
Using my cell phone. Yun naman, nilabas mo naman lahat ng laman ng cellphone ko eh.
Ayoko na to.
May nag-alarm eh.
Let me give up, bro. There's no way I'm killing Zip. How am I gonna kill Zip? I don't wanna do this anymore. I'm just going to stay AFK, bro.
Zep, I got my best on you, bro. You better not die. I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
What is it, bro?
You better not die, bro.
I'm not gonna kill Zip. There's no way I'm killing Zip. The mix is so confusing. So you might be actually cooked. Nah, bro. If it's at 1 minute and I still don't find you, bro, I'm going to give up all along already. I'm gonna reset. Do not. That's unfair. Nah, bro. I don't wanna play. I'm more on tug of war. Good thing I won the vote. W game for voting for me. Nah, bro, I already give up. How do I kill myself? Resetting. I give up. GG's. I'll give you a clue. I'm actually hearing you. I literally left! Are you kidding me? I guess I gotta win the tug of war. I gotta win jump rope by myself. Ram, I'm so sorry I had to do this. Rafael.